Helo a chroeso I Stori Hacathon cyfle. Stori Hacathon yw, mae yna 3 grŵp fan hyn heddi a mae'r enw creu stori 5 munud o fewn y dydd. Mae gen nhw 8 awr I greu y stori yna. Mae rhaid nhw gael elfen byw a mae rhaid nhw gael elfen digidol. So da fi ddim syniad beth sy'n mynd I ddigwydd, ond dyma'r trydydd digwyddiad mewn 3 digwyddiad yn ei bod yn rhedeg ar draws Cymru gyfan yn edrych ar y defnydd o digidol yn y byd celfyddydol. Fydden ni ddechrau off yn Nghernarfon, wedyn nathon ni nawr I Aberystwyth a dyma ni yng Nghaerdydd nawr I Orffennaf. Mae'r siwrne wedi bod yn hwyl, mae wedi bod yn exciting iawn a mae heddi mynd I fod yn llawn brwdfrydedd a mae bobl really eisiau gwneud gwaith da. So gen I weld beth sy'n mynd I ddigwydd. Da fi ddim syniad beth sy'n mynd I ddigwydd, ond mae'n mynd I bod yn hwyl. Diolch.
So we're here today to develop and produce a 5-minute multi-platform piece. And we've been put into teams, and this morning we've been developing an idea and coming up with a concept of how we can produce a live, digital and multi-platform experience.
Today I've been invited by Cyfle to take part in a one-day hackathon, a Stori Hacathon. So we've been put into teams to create a 5-minute experience or a story for a panel.
We're coming today to try and put together an interactive and immersive story that's cross-platform and to conceive it and build it in about 8 hours.
Especially with it, it depends whether you want the line.
What's important about today is they understand the power of story. They understand that how a strong core theme for the story, a strong message, is the thing that will actually help them create a robust story world. So they'll have a story where they understand who their audience are and how they can create fun around this very strong message and core theme of storytelling.
Yeah, we've been through quite a few ideas actually, but I think we were inspired by seeing the lonely shoes. I'm wondering how the hell single shoes just left on their own, and trying to think how we could come up with an interesting concept of being able to hear the voice or the story of the shoe. We've created a great character called the shoe hunter who collects shoes. Is very angry that people are leaving shoes around and that it's careless. And seeing how he can put people together, reuniting people with their shoes if they deserve to be reunited with their shoes.
We've been working pretty much throughout the day on ideas, and kind of at the beginning we were given a presentation from Alison Norrington about how the story is important and that's what the focus should be predominantly, and then from there we have to decide how to tell that story and on what platform. So we've kind of decided to tell the story basically through a kind of call to arms video, which will kind of start the campaign, and then the rest of the interaction with the participants will take place on different platforms like Twitter and Facebook, so it becomes a shareable thing.
Today we have created a superhero for Cardiff. Her superpower is to sing people better. So she goes around visiting distressed people, mostly people who are on the verge of being suicidal, just being very depressed, I suppose, and she makes them better by singing to them. So we've been busy drawing pictures, creating fanzines, creating new Twitter accounts, scripting, and now we've just acquired some actors. So quite a bit of work to be done yet before tonight.
We're playing about with the value and the weight of friendship, and we're setting up a stage where Facebook has changed its privacy settings. In order to keep your friends, you have to have met them in real life, and our heroine is going on an epic adventure to come and meet the person that she wants to keep as her friend. So later this evening we're going to be presenting our piece to a panel and to the audience. We've got a couple of great actors who are going to really get in there with the audience, and the audience is going to be text message instructions on how they have to interact with the character, and they've got to either help or hinder them towards their final friend.
It went fairly well. I think we overcomplicated things a bit because we had to present everything in 5 minutes, and it was 8 hours worth of thinking and creating. But overall, very good, and the other presentations were fantastic. It's been a fantastic day. It's kind of awakened my creativity, so hopefully I'll go home tomorrow and carry on with some writing.
It went great, yeah. I think we had a good reaction from the crowd. It's a bit of a comic piece and people laughed, so the audience reacted well. They got the jokes, they seen the funny side of the story, which we were hoping, and I think that's quite important with a comedy piece. It was a great day altogether. It was great to work with some new people and work together in a team and produce something in such a short period of time.
It went well actually. A few kind of hitches expected because it's it's all in the spirit of the hackathon, but I think it went well. Yeah. Really seeing the actress get into it, and then the participants kind of getting up unexpectedly to answer their text messages. Yeah, the day was good. It's informed me a lot having that kind of that pressure of doing it all in one day.
Wel, dyna ni. Dyna diwedd y daith. It's the end of the journey. Da ni wedi bod ar draws Cymru gyfan yn edrych ar digidol ar Celfyddydau. We've been right across Wales looking at digital in the arts. A mae wedi bod yn llwyddiant ysgubol. It's been a great success. Fi wedi blino'n llwyr. I'm very, very tired. And I need a drink. Ond diolch yn fawr I bawb. Thank you very much, and I hope you come to the next one. A gobeithio dewch chi ar un nesaf. Mae fe wedi bod yn hwyl ysgubol. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much. Diolch.